जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। तभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए, नजर न आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं पे निकल आए जन्मों के नाते। कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं पे निकल आए जन्मों के नाते। है मीठी उलझन बैरी अपना मन अपना ही होके सहे दर्द पर आए, दर्द पर आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे हो गए कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे। दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे हो गए कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे। ये मेरे सपने यही तो हैं अपने, मुझसे जुदा ना होंगे इनके ये साए, इनके ये साए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। बहारों फूल बरसाओ मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। हवाओं रागनी गाओ मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। लगा इन गोरे हाथों में। उतर आए घटा का जल लगा इन प्यारी आँखों में। सितारों मांग भर जाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। नजारों हर तरफ अब तान दो एक नूर की चादर। बड़ा शर्मीला दिलबर है, चला जाए न शर्मा कर। जरा तुम दिल को बहलाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। सजाई है जवां कलियों ने अब ये सेज उल्फत की। इन्हें मालूम था आएगी एक दिन रुत मोहब्बत की। फजाओ रंग बिखराओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है।
मगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। तुम मुझे देख कर मुस्कुराती रहो, मैं तुम्हें देख कर गीत गाता रहूं। तुम मगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। कितने जलवे फिजाओं में बिखरे, मगर मैंने अब तक किसी को पुकारा नहीं। तुमको देखा तो नजरें ये कहने लगी, हमको चेहरे से हटना गवारा नहीं। तुम मगर मेरी एक शय से नजरें चुराता रहूं, तुम मगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। मैंने ख्वाबों में बरसों तराशा जिसे, तुम वही संगे मरमर की तस्वीर हो। तुम ना समझो तुम्हारा मुकद्दर हूँ मैं समझता हूँ तुम मेरी तकदीर हो। तुम मगर मुझको अपना समझने लगो, मैं बहारों की महफिल सजाता रहूं। तुम मगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले, हे नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। ऐसे ही जग में आती हैं सुबहें, ऐसे ही शाम ढले, गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। शबनम के मोती फूलों पे बिखरे, दोनों की आस फले, नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। बल खाती बेलें मस्ती में खेले, पेड़ों से मिल के गले, नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। नदिया का पानी दरिया से मिलके सागर की ओर चले, नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। ऐसे ही जग में आती है सुबहें, ऐसे ही शाम ढले, गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले। ला 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 ला।
कांधों पे बादल झुके हुए, जुल्फे हैं जैसे कांधों पे बादल झुके हुए, आंखें हैं जैसे मैं के प्याले भरे हुए, मस्ती है जिसमें प्यार की तुम वो शराब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो। चेहरा है जैसे झील में हंसता हुआ कमल, चेहरा है जैसे झील में हंसता हुआ कमल, या जिंदगी के साज पे छेड़ी हुई गजल, जाने बहार तुम किसी शायर का ख्वाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो। होंठों पे खेलती है तबस्सुम की बिजलियां, होंठों पे खेलती है तबस्सुम की बिजलियां, सजदे तुम्हारी राह में करती है कहकशां,
Check. One, test in 1, sound check, 1. एक बार बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय. So devotees, we are about to begin. Antishti Sanskar. This is a name for the ceremonies of when someone dies. Today, in love and memory of Lucky Chand Singh, better known as Hook. Some of you all would have this little handbill. Sunrise, 24th of August, 1957. Sunset, 22nd of June, 2024. Right here. And then we'll be proceeding to the Felicity cremation site. So at this time, as we do the Sankalp, where we establish all the details of the ceremony, we are saying Bhagwan Krishna, today, on this date, on this day, in this compound here, everything has been organized for the final rites. Hey Bhagwan Krishna, today we ask your blessings for this departed Atma. We say soul, but Atma is the correct name. Today, all our prayer and devotion, and for the next couple days, at your lotus-like feet, Bhagwan Krishna, on behalf of this beloved individual, brother, a friend, a neighbor, so many other relationships. So I want to ask everyone to let's stand for a couple of minutes. Of course, feel free to sit at any time, especially the senior people. And as I do these mantras, the Sankalp mantras, I ask everyone to offer a prayer. You are all here because I'm sure you are connected with him in some way. right? So offer a prayer in your own way as we ask Bhagwan to accept our love today and accept him today. Om Vishnu Vishnu Adya Sri Brahmane Dvitiye Paradhe Sri Sweta Varaha Kalpe Vaivasvat Manvantare Ashtavin Satitame Kali Yuge Kali Pratama Charane Trinidad Desha Amukha Grame Adyavartantargata Brahmataira Deshe Punyachete Bauravatare Vartaman Yatanam Samvatsare Amukha Kayani, Amukha Mase, Amukha Pakshe, Amukha Titao, Amukha Vasare, Amukha Nakshe, Amukha Karne, Amukha Yoge, Amukha Karne, Sha Amukha Rashi Site Surya, Amukha Rashi Site Shashanke Shesheshu, Graheshu Yata Yata, Rashi Sthana Site, Amukha Nam, Yajmanasya, Amukha Gotasya, Amukha Pretasya, Antishti, Karma Aham Karishe, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutas Tunvanti Devya Istavai Vedai Sangha Padakramopanishadai Gayanti Yam Samaga Dhyana Vastita Targate Namanasa Pashyanti Yam Yogino Yasyantam Navirusura Suragana Devaya Tasmai Namaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha Shantakaram Bhujagashainam Parmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Megavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanainam Yogi Virdhyana Gamyam Vande Vishnu Bhaubaiharam Sarvalokaikkanatam Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. एक बार बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय. So you can offer the flowers, yeah, you can offer. Yeah, right here, right here. Right, everyone can kindly take your seats. So devotees, death, what we know as death in Hinduism, Sanatana Dharma, it is just the end of one phase and moving on to a different phase. The body dies, our Shastras say, the body dies. But what is the life force in that body that makes the body move, that makes each one of us talk and laugh and smile and interact? That life force is known as the Atma. Sometimes we say soul, but soul cannot totally express the true meaning, Atma. Atma, which is a spark of that supreme Atma. That one we see as God, in Hinduism, Bhagwan. That one who is the creator, who is the sustainer, who is the reabsorber, who makes everything happen in this world. Our Shastras say that nothing can exist without him. Although sometimes we think that we are the most powerful devotees, we are just the disciples, and we are just the servants of that wonderful Bhagwan. So today what we do, the Hindu funeral rites, just a funeral today is a simple ceremony here, and then we go to the cremation site where we do a simple ceremony again, and then cremating the body. So the body is made up of 5 elements, devotees. You know, all the different parts of the service today represents asking the different elements to go back to their respective places, right? So the number 5 is important. When you go wrong, it will be 5 times we are going wrong. So today is a day when we say that the Atma is separated from the body. Of course, the Atma would be wrong. The Atma, we cannot see it, but it is a force, a life force. So the Atma would be around until the day of the Bhandara, the 13th day or the 12th day, according to our beloved Sanatana Dharma. So the body is there, the body of Lucky Chan Singh, known as Hook. The body is there. You would, those of you all who know him, you would come in a couple of minutes, you would see all the limbs are there, all the organs are still there in the body, but we say the body is dead. He is dead. That's what we say, right? He cannot move again. We would have to move him. He cannot smile. He cannot talk. He cannot listen. He cannot hear anything right now. He cannot see because that life force has been separated. What we do today, of course, definitely is for the Atma and for the body to be cremated. Today we are not worshipping the body. This is a ceremony prescribed by sages, right? This is a person we have known, brothers and sisters and friends and neighbors, devotees. So we are decorating the body, we are preparing the body. In a couple of minutes you would see us sprinkling water, symbolic of bathing and purifying. This has already been done. We'll be offering chandan to decorate the body, essence, to scent the body, flowers to beautify, and then arti. All these are preparing the body to be taken by the fire, right? Or Agindev, devotees. So today as we begin this ceremony, you know, we cannot do anything at this time to bring him back to life. None of us can. The greatest doctors can. The scientists cannot. This is the end of his time on earth. Our Shastras also say, Shastras mean our scriptures in Sanatana Dharma, Hinduism, devotees. According to our actions, our karmas, our actions decide what is next for this Atma. And yes, our Shastras say that Atma can come back as a human being. Some other time it can come back as an animal. It can go to the higher region as a Devta. And of course, the highest goal in Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma is when that Atma don't have a separate identity again. It merges with that Padam, with that Atma. And this is a goal of every individual, every Hindu, you know, where we want to go back to Bhagwan, as we would say. We want to go back to Bhagwan, devotees. So as we begin the ceremony, I want to ask everyone, you know, let your thoughts be wonderful, right? We are all here because we are connected to him in some way. Family, friends, neighbors, and of course, we offer our love to Bhagwan on behalf of him, right? So remember, we are not worshipping the body. We are preparing the body to be cremated, right? We are worshipping Bhagwan Krishna. In Hinduism, Sanatana Dharma, as the creator, Bhagwan, when I say Bhagwan, I mean what you know as God. As the creator, he is known as Brahma. As the reabsorber at the end of each cycle, he is known as Shiva. And the one who sustains this creation from day to day is known as Vishnu Bhagwan. Vishnu Bhagwan incarnates from age to age, time to time, and out of all the powerful incarnations, Bhagwan Krishna is the most powerful. So today all the offerings are made to Bhagwan Vishnu or Bhagwan Krishna on behalf of him, right? So I always like to explain this because many people think, and you would be surprised to know even Hindus think that we worship the body. The body is dead, the body is a corpse, so we are not worshiping the body. We have all the prayers and mantras are offered to Bhagwan, to God, on behalf of him, right? So with our thoughts and minds clear at this time, I just want to do one chant before we begin. एक दिन छूट जाए संसार, 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 one day we would all have to leave this world. Beautiful bhajans tell about life and about death and about our relationship with Bhagwan. The poet says that, I'm not doing the entire bhajan, but the poet says that regardless who you are, you might be a king or you might be a beggar, you would have to leave this world one day. We are not here forever. Some would live for 50 years, some children die at birth, just after birth, a couple of years, some live for 100 years, but regardless how long in ages or years we live, at one time we'd have to leave. Remember that, all right? You are king, you are a beggar, you're a prime minister, a president, a garbage collector, whatever. That is just your occupation. We would have to go one day. We are born in this world, we'd have to leave this world one day. The poet says, regardless you are educated, what we know as educated, or you are not educated, that doesn't matter. You would have to leave this world one day. All right? Bhava sagar mein जीवन नैया, भव सागर में जीवन नैया, राम लगावत पार, राम लगावत पार, एक दिन छूट जाए संसार, एक दिन छूट जाए संसार. भव सागर में जीवन नैया. This world is described as a turbulent ocean. And we, in Trinidad, we know how difficult life is today. A turbulent ocean. And to get across this ocean safely, Ram Alagawatapad, chant the name of Bhagwan. Offer your prayer and your love to Bhagwan. Devotees, live a wonderful life. Live a devoted life. Live a life of love and care and compassion. And then it would be easy. Taking you across this ocean of life, Bhagwan himself is going to take care of that job. Bhava sagar mein jeevan naiya, Ram lagawat paad, ek din chut jaye sansar, 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 ek din chut jaye sansar. एक बार बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय. You can offer the flowers anyway. Sprinkle water on top of the body. Keep walking, take your time and walk while it's sprinkling. Do that 5 times, check 5, wrong side. Om Adhyamukha Gotas Samukha Pritas Samadhisthane Shava Nimitta Snana Maya Dhyate Tavobhashtam. Om Adhyamukha Gotas Samukha Pritas Samadhisthane Shava Nimitta Snana Maya Dhyate Tavobhashtam. Om Adhyamukha Gotasya Mukha Pritasya Matisthane Shava Nimitta Snana Maya Dhyate Tavobhashtam. Nimitta Snana Maya Dhyate Tavobhashtam. Nimitta Snana Maya Dhyate Tavobhashtam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. One more time. I think one. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopal Jaya Jaya, Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopal Jaya Jaya. Radha Ramana Hari, Govinda Jaya Jaya. Same place 5 times. Om Adhyamukha Gotasya Mukha Pritasya Matisthane Shava Nimitta Chandana Maya Dhyate Tavobhashtam. Nimitta Chandana Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Nimitta Chandana Maya Diyate Tavopatishyatam. You can leave it right at the side. Said there. Yeah, right. Adhyamukagotasa Mukapretasya Mritishthaneshava Nimitta Gandham Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Nimitta Gandham Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Om Adhyamukagotasa Mukapretasya Mritishthaneshava Nimitta Gandham Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Govinda Jaya Jaya. Gopal Jaya Jaya. Govinda Jaya Jaya. Gopal Jaya Jaya. Radha Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya. Radha Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya. I take the malas. Yeah. 5 malas. Which malas is that one? Yeah. You just one at a time. Just break it. You put it wrong like you put in a mala frame, right? How much malas is it? 5 or more? 2? All right, good. Om Adhyamukagotasa Mukapretasya Mritishthaneshava Nimitta Pushpamala Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. एक बार बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय. Just wait one time. When we offer arti in a funeral, devotees, we are not worshipping the body. And of course, the light today represents the Atma and telling us that the Atma has been separated from the body. Om Adhyamukagotasa Mukapretasya Mritishthaneshava Nimitta Deepa Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Nimitta Deepa Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Om Yam Dwari Mahagore Andhina Tamasavrite Tatra Vale Kanartaya Deepo Yamo Patishtatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Adhyamukagotasa Mukapretasya Mritishthaneshava Nimitta Deepa Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Nimitta Deepa Maya Diyate Tavopashatam. Nimitta Deepa Maya Diyate Tavopatishtatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. एक बार बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय. So at this time I'll just do, the ceremony, the main parts are almost completed there. I'll do a short message, devotees. A funeral for most people, of course, especially family members, brothers and sisters, cousins, relatives, and close friends, it is a sad occasion, right? Why it is a sad occasion? Because the person would not be there again. You will have memories of him, right? Lucky Chand, we'd have memories of him. Thoughts would fly through our minds at times, devotees, but that physical form would not be there, right? Think about it in this way. Anyone here actually want to meet Bhagwan, meet God face to face? Devotees, I'm sure Most of us would say yes. Well, if we really have to meet Bhagwan, we can experience him, we can have the vibrations now, but if we really want to meet him, we'd have to die, right? In this life. We'd have to die, basically, to actually meet him in person, in a personal form, devotees. So, in that way, death should be a good thing, right? Of course, hoping that your life is a wonderful life, that you are going to meet Bhagwan, and you are not going to go to the opposite side, right? So, if we can think like this, we are saying, well, Lucky Chand is going to meet Bhagwan, right? The one who has brought him into this world from birth until this age, and time to go back to our Creator, as we would say. We should be happy. We should be happy for him, if that is the case, devotees. But karma or actions play a big role. Karma or actions play a big role, devotees. The kind of life you live. Of course, I always like to say first that nobody is perfect. None of us are perfect, right? We all would have our challenges, we'd have our shortfalls, we'll have our good days and our bad days. But basically, I think most people want to be good, want to be loving, want to be kind, want to be caring, right? Want to make a difference and want to make an impact in your life, in your family's life, in the community, wherever you live, devotees, right? So, this is a wonderful thing, and we should all strive to be the best person we can be. The best person we can be, devotees. In the Ramcharita-manas of Sant Tulsidas, one of our main scriptures in Hinduism, Sanatana Dharma, when Bhagwan took incarnation, Bhagwan Vishnu, when he took incarnation as Sri Ram, Tulsidas wrote the entire katha of his life in the form of the Ramayana, the Ramcharita-manas. And there are many beautiful lessons. In fact, every part of the Ramayana, there are beautiful lessons that we can learn, devotees. We can learn how to live, how to act, how to react, how to interact with other individuals. We can learn what we should do to make our lives better, what we should do to make the lives of others better, what we should do to enjoy this life. Many people live and they suffer almost from birth until death, devotees. Our life is meant to be happy, right? To be blissful. Sadhguru would say, some of you all who might be looking on at Sadhguru, one of the great saints in this age, is put in this way. Life is to be happy and joyous and blissful, devotees. And in being so, we help others to reach that same stage of happiness, of joy, of bliss. Sri Ram, he had to go to the forest. He demonstrated the ideal son. Before even his father can speak to him, I want you to go to the forest, right? He just heard what had taken place. I'm not going to the details of the katha. And to not let the words of his father fall, he left immediately to go to the forest. Of course, together with him, his beloved wife Sita and his brother Lakshman, they left with him, devotees. As he was traveling in the forest, devotees, one of the first holy ones that he met, the great sage Valmiki, he bowed to him, right? And devotees, he had a beautiful dialogue. And he said, "O Holy One, O Sage, you have lived in this forest for many years. You know the whereabouts of this forest. You know where the plants are, where the food, we can get food in the forest, where the waters are, the rivers, the water source, right? You know where the forest dwellers are? You know everything about this forest. I am a stranger here. That is, Bhagwan is speaking. He's acting the role now as Avatar Sri Ram. I am a stranger here. Could you guide me along? You know, give me some information, right? Where I can build a little hut here and I can spend some time. I'm here for 14 years. So I can spend some time, if not the 14 years, some time here, right? Interacting with nature. But most important, he said, show me that spot, right? Where I can live and make a difference. So when I leave here, regardless how much time I spend, if not the 14 years, I would add value. I would not desecrate the plants. I would not pollute the water. I would not destroy the animal kingdom. However I found this place here, I would make it much more beautiful, you know, much more wonderful, right? Instead of destroying, I will be building on it, devotees. And that is a very, you know, instructive message for all of us. Life is like this. We are here just for some time. And just as Sri Ram has said to that sage, I am going to spend some time. You guide me along, right? The holy ones would guide us along. But most important, when I leave here, here should be a much better place, right? And in being a better place, my life also should be elevated. Devotees, we are all here for a time. We might think it is a long time, 60-something years. Some of you all are a little younger, some might be older devotees. So how you view it, it can be a long time. In the cycle of time, the world time, it is a very short time, a very short space. But most important, can any one of you picture yourself lying in a coffin? Anyone? Well, one day we'll all have to be like this. I always say it also. While today I am the Pandit doing the ceremony, one day I would be lying in a coffin and somebody would be doing my funeral rites. So yes, what is sure is that we all would die one day. We'd have to leave this world one day, devotees. But what would remain afterwards is your actions, right? Your reactions, what you did to make the world a better place. What would people say about you? He or she was a wonderful person, most loving and kind and caring. Boy, I am really missing that person. Oh, that was a miserable person, boy. I cannot stand that person. You know, sometimes you say like this, right? So this is what the memory is going to remain. And I'm sure that no one, when you leave, you want people to say you are a miserable person, right? I could not stand that person. No. We all want people to say the best about us and have good memories about us. So, what you have to do, what I have to do, is just live the most wonderful life you can, right? Regardless of the situation. It all starts with family. Devotees, yes, family is the most important unit. This is how Bhagwan has made us. Parents and children are the closest because you live together every day until someone decides to get married and leave the house, but still you are part of the family, right? So family is most important. And every time you go to a funeral, you have to question yourself, what is your relationship like with family? Your brothers and sisters, your parents, your children. What is your relationship like? What is your input into their life to make their life better? Right? We all live in communities and we have neighbors. The next most important person might be a neighbor. What is your relationship like with your neighbor? Of course, there are some neighbors. I'm telling you, when people say, Baba, I like what you say, but my neighbor is something else. You know, there would be one in 100 who you don't want to have nothing to do with. But besides that, the neighbor is the most important person to you. question, what is your relationship with your neighbor? And next important part of life is your workplace, right? When most people start working somewhere between around 18 years until about 60, 65, and other places beyond that. So a big part of your life is working. You spend 8 hours. Well, in Trinidad, many people spend half an hour and an hour, and especially if you're working in government places, right? But 8 hours basically. Some people work more. So a big part of your life is working. And you are interacting with people in your workplace, your co-workers, right? What is your relationship with your workers? When you become a boss in charge of people, how do you treat your workers, right? How do you interact with them? These are the questions, we have to ask. Every one of you, every one of us, including myself, devotees. And a funeral is a very learning experience, right? When you really come and see, one day I would really be like this. One day I would not be here. I would not be able to speak, lying there. And in a couple of minutes they would cremate me or bury me. Never again to see anyone physically. Never again for anyone to love me and hug me. Devotees. And a funeral can change your life, devotees. When you think about what is life, when you think about what is death, right? So again, let's put our hands together as I offer some mantras. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Anandam Ayacha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Nama Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Lam Gaite Girim Yat Kripatamaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutas Tunvanti Devyastavai Vedai Sangha Padakramopanishadai Gayanti Yam Samaga Dhyana Vastita Targatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yogino Yasyantam Navidusura Suragana Devaya Tasmai Nama Devaya Tasmai Nama Devaya Tasmai Namaha Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya एक बार बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय एक बार बोलो श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय You can offer the flowers anyway, right? All right, devotees, if there's anyone who would like to say anything, you can come up at this time. But we have malas to be offered. Members of the family can come and offer the malas. There's the tali, there is the chandan, right? Essence, you could offer, perform arti, right? And there's lots of flowers here, right? You can just assist whoever comes up, right? So while that is taking place, I'll just do a couple of bhajans. Yeah. Anyone want to come up and family members? You could assist them. Himalaya first? Yeah. Jai Krishna Hare Shri Krishna Hare दुखियों को दुख दूर करो जय 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 कृष्ण हरे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों के दुख दूर करे जय 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 कृष्ण हरे। जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो, आशा का दूर किनारा हो। जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो, आशा का दूर किनारा हो। जब कोई न खेवन हारा हो, जब तू ही बेड़ा पार करे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे, जय कृष्ण हरे, श्री कृष्ण हरे। Anybody want to do arti? Also it's not easy, right? दुखियों को दुख दूर करो। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे, जय कृष्ण हरे, श्री कृष्ण हरे। दुखियों को दुख दूर करो। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे। तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे, विष को भी अमृत कर दे। तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे, विष को भी अमृत कर दे। पूर्ण कर दे सबकी आशा, जो भी तेरा ध्यान धरे। मैं जो भी तेरा ध्यान धरे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे, जय कृष्ण हरे, श्री कृष्ण हरे। दुखियों को दुख दूर करे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे, जय कृष्ण हरे, श्री कृष्ण हरे। दुखियों को दुख दूर करे। जय 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 कृष्ण हरे, जय 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 कृष्ण हरे, जय 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 कृष्ण हरे। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम। If anyone also want to sing a bhajan, please come forward. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम। पाप कटे दुख मीते, लेते राम नाम, लेते राम नाम। भव समुद्र सुकर नाव, एक राम नाम, एक राम नाम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम। The poet says, with your heart filled with love, chant the name of Bhagwan Prabhu Sri Ram. The name destroys all unrighteousness and sorrows. It brings an end to this ocean of mundane existence. Parama Gopya Parama Ishta, Mantra Ram Naam, Mantra Ram Naam. Sant Hridaya Sara Basat Ek Ram Naam, Ek Ram Naam. The name Ram is the greatest secret. It is the highest divinity, the poet says. It always resides in the hearts of the holy ones. Chant the name Ram, the poet says. Parama Shanti Sukha Nidhan, Divya Ram Naam, Divya Ram Naam. निराधार को आधार, एक राम नाम, एक राम नाम. The name Ram gives great peace. It is the treasury of happiness. It gives support to those who have no support. Chant the name of Ram. The poet says, Mahadeva Sada Japat Divya Ram Naam, Divya Ram Naam, Sant Hridaya Sarabasat, Kashi Marat Mukti Karat, Kahat Ram Naam, Kahat Ram Naam. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, Sri Ram Ram Ram. The name Ram, the poet says, is recited even by Shankar Bhagwan. And those who die in Kashi get liberation through the name of Ram. Mata Pita Bandhu Saka Sabhi Ram Naam, भक्त जनन जीवन धन एक राम नाम, एक राम नाम. The name Ram is everything to the devotee. It is like mother, father, brother, friend, everything. It is the life breath of all devotees. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, Ram Ram Ram, Sri Ram Ram Ram. Prema Murita Mansika ho, Ram Ram Ram. Ram Ram Ram, Sri Ram Ram Ram. Ram Ram Ram, Sri Ram Ram Ram. Ram Ram Ram, Sri Ram Ram Ram, Sri Ram Ram Ram, Sri Ram Ram Ram. एक बार बोलो श्री रामचंद्र की जय. Yeah. Come, you see my. All right, no problem. All right, go ahead. All sing it again or next question? All right, sing one more. Yeah.
You got the body?
Yeah, yeah. Awesome. That's already, yeah. Ada. Tak makan kat sini. Right, very good.
Akshay! Akshay!
Ready? You turn, buddy. Check out your just so. Wait there. Just stand wait there. You can need some other things here now. We need some other things here. The canfa, the
Oh, that you think where you give me?
Yeah, yeah. Have it there?
Rene, the bag where I give for the puja. In the car, bring it out quick. The white bag. Rene, that the best time, but what I find in the car? I good, alright.
You not there?
Not yet. Them go on faith. All I do quick.
Sit down. There you go. Yeah, you can come on this side, come on this side, no? Yeah. Yeah, so you can see. Oh, not this one.
Not this one?
The next one.
What the next bag?
Yeah, the next one.
What the next bag? Not this one. Not this
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think that one is inside here.
one. This is the grass.
That's all. That's all.
You want the trail?
That is not sure. It's our next bag.
So what's up our next bag? Is that our next bag? No man, it's the next bag with all the
With the
things.
merchant thing.
With the merchant thing, yeah. Nah, not this one. What that bag is?
They provide us something. You sure any horse, man? You sure not any horse? With the bar only with the tray. With the big silver arm.
With the big silver tray?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can give us that one. Yeah, I think that is.
See if any horse there. Yeah. Give me this. Give me this. Right. So. Much, eh? Oh, very good. Oh, yes. Can I get somebody to hold this to me? Yeah. Oh, all right, good. All right. I just sprinkle water around 5 times. Apavitra apavitruva sarva avastam gatopya yasmare pundarikaksham sabhaya benta shuchi. Om. You can say one please, yeah. Just sprinkle 5 times. You can say one please. Om namo bhagavate vasudevaya. Om. Right, now good. Then put it in. You can see my chance, wave it wrong 5 times and just turn it over and you go, right?
Okay.
Right, wave it. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Om Pritatma Shanti. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Just turn it over and you go, right? Let's sprinkle some water. Up, yeah. Right. All right, that's good. Take up the DM, make sure the can fall out. Right. Rest it inside the box there. Right. Whoever hold in, they can hold the cloth with the handle one time, right? Together. Just pushing the cloth in the handle. Right. You want one more person? At least one more. Hold this one. All right. One more there. Hold the cloth with it, right? Raise together. Ek, do. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya. Right. Stop right there. Same procedure, right? Apavitra pavitrova sarvavastam gatopiva yasmare pundarikaksham sabaya bente shuchihi. Same procedure, right? Right. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Right, turn it over. Right. Sprinkle some water. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Right. Take up the DM, put it inside, make sure. Right. 2 stop there. Right? Come on, hold it. Yeah. Together, right? Ek, do. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Right. Very good. All right, thanks. Same procedure. Apavitra pavitrova sarvavastam gatopiva yasmare pundarikaksham sabaya bente shuchihi. Om. Yes, sir. Hold this. Right. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. एक बार बोल श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय. Pick up, put it aside. Diya, put it here. Lift together. Ek, do, raise. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya Hai. Ram Naam Satya. Right, right. Then the last one, going straight up in front. Go ahead. Apavitra pavitrova sarvavastam gatopiva yasmare pundarikaksham sabaya bente shuchihi. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. एक बार बोल श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय. Right, lift together, we coming straight here in front. Om Ram Naam Satya Hai. 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 That's all. Huh? $10. Then so. Then so. All comes to. You just go outside a little bit. Yeah, go so. Just straight into the pie alley. Right? You good there?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, all right, thanks. One more. You ready? Go ahead. Finish, Pankaj? Apavitra pavitruva sarvavastam gatopi va yasmali pundarikaksham sabhaya bhyante shuchahi. Om. Who lights? Light it. Om Tat Sat Pritatma Shanti. Om Panchatattva Shanti. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Right, take it over. That's my quote. Right. You leave and everything. Yes? Ya, pon lang ako, Billy. No. I'm leaving it. Yeah, flowers all for him, man. Whatever going outside is supposed to remain. What is that? No. Whatever good is supposed to remain.
But the pundit who do a mother one, he say, Postman, what you think? I say, I think about your writing, I know I do on flowers. But only like good flowers in the river. You see, like, flowers just making wounds. So when they put the ashes in your body, it's like a cleansing you from your body. You don't want flowers, when you're doing Hawa, and you open the parasite, you put flowers in it. When you're taking oil a little bit, that way Hawa. The flowers, why don't you put me one and some one with them?
No, the difference with this is a dead body, corpse, have germs, disease, it could have disease. That's why it's supposed to burn everything. If you offer it in the river, it could pollute the river. If you offer it in the ground, it could pollute the ground. Okay. Yeah. If you look in India, they leave all the flowers, they don't take it out. Yeah. I know half of the pandits just leave the flowers, some half just take it out. But for that reason, the correct thing to do is to leave it there because of contamination. Yeah. Maybe from time to time, a body, somebody die, the body start decaying already, you know. So this girl me. Kapag this here. Not going to plant that grass. So. You can rest it on with time, if you want. Rest it on. I want to plant the kush grass. So. All right. Somebody had this a gold, the 5 piece. Yeah, the 5 piece of gold. Somebody.
Yeah. One time, mommy sent the 5 piece of gold for me. The gold.
Oh. Pass this him, yeah? Just pass him. Pass all. Yeah, all. Yeah. picture inside there?
Yeah.
I'll take out the remote. Touch that on the key. Yeah, yeah. Just look at the, it has some key there, yeah. Rest it in the mouth, across. Yeah, go there forward. Right. Take out this, the 5 piece. On the 2 eyes, on the nostrils, 2 sides, and put 1 on the mouth. Right.
Good.
Put any garbage, yeah? Garbage.
Garbage?
Garbage.
Sure.
Hold on. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Go ahead. Leave the cloth in the ground and they have to. Let's push it in straight inside. Yeah. And the rest of them. 2 of them. Yes. 1 go on the next side. Leave the cloth, leave the cloth. Yeah, leave the cloth in the ground. Just pull out the ground. Just take out the box. Yeah. Raise. Take it down, push it. Right. We do not have one here, right? About 30, 35 more friends, so that's average.
Okay.
Yes, so you got that, yeah. The match is in the container, just so, yeah, bring. Right. Mix up everything. अपवित्रा पवित्रो सर्वावस्थां गतोऽपि वा यस्मरे पुण्डरीकाक्षं समाय प्यन्तरः शुचिः. Catch up real fast, boy. Right. Right, you ready? Yeah. Let's average about 30, right? Right. Yeah. Loma beha swaha. Offer. त्वचे स्वाहा लोहिताय स्वाहा मेरुभ्यः स्वाहा मांसेभ्यः स्वाहा स्नायुभ्यः स्वाहा अस्थिभ्यः स्वाहा मज्जाभ्यः स्वाहा रेतसे स्वाहा पायवे स्वाहा आयसाय स्वाहा त्रायसाय स्वाहा संयसाय स्वाहा व्यायसाय स्वाहा उद्यसाय स्वाहा शुचे स्वाहा शोचते स्वाहा शोचमानाय स्वाहा शोकाय स्वाहा तपसे स्वाहा तप्यते स्वाहा तप्यमानाय स्वाहा तप्ताय स्वाहा धर्माय स्वाहा निष्कृते स्वाहा प्रच्युत्य स्वाहा भेषजाय स्वाहा यमाय स्वाहा अंतकाय स्वाहा little bit स्नायुभ्यः स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा ब्रह्मणि याय स्वाहा ब्रह्मः यत्य स्वाहा विश्वेभ्यो देवीभ्यो स्वाहा all ध्याय पृथिवीभ्यां स्वाहा. Right. Check out your hand there. Look, wipe your hand on the cloth there.
Let him put his hand down. Carry 10 behind the arm. 15.
Yeah. Yeah, I need 2 of them. Want to hold the arm. Want to hold the weights. I want to hold the arm, the post. Nobody? Call out some of them boys, man.
No, don't lose it. Go in there. Somebody for the tent. Real quick, somebody for the tent. Lift.
This is your tally?
Left there, watch out.
Right, up with it.
Bring the side up in.
Huh? All right, good.
show the family members on that side and things too. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to just walk with one at a time. Yeah.
Around. Around.
Yeah, go right on. Inside. Yeah, push it in. Push it in. You can come inside. Hold on. I'll just listen this off. I'll pray. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum lam gayati girim yat kripatamaham vande paramananda madhavam yam brahma varuninda rudda marutas tunvanti divyaistavai vedai sanga parakramo panishadai gayantiyam samaga dhyana vastitatirgatina manasa पश्यन्त्यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम शांति शांति शांति. Let's go closer. Let's sprinkle it inside, straight inside. I think that's it. That's all. I got 2 minutes and then we'll go on. We'll go and plant the kush grass. And, yeah.
Thanks for everything, man. Alright. Yeah, no, that's alright, you can do it. Yeah.
Right, ready. Go bring it.
Trojan River, just so right, did you want to tell me what's under the box?
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Take out
Trojan River.
the garbage bag. Yeah.
Right, on the Trojan River. When they pass through, move from the fire.
Yeah, but do throw the garbage bag. Everything. Maybe you can pass on through it inside. Yeah. You want to pass on? You can reach there? No, do walk in the water. Watch, better pass through. See if you can get on top there. Pass around through. You'll get some more water later through it. And bring back the garbage bag. Oh, they close. Oh.
Just straight from right there.
Yeah, but let's pelt it. See if you can pelt it across there. Right. All right. Put it in the garbage. Right, you can bring that then. Sit down. How are you going? Good? All right. Any boss? All right. Sama-sama gitu go there, boy. Won't have to get close there.
Oh, leave it on that side.
Oh yeah, keep passing. All right. Yeah, we thought I'd get on this side too. Oh. place to be shaving and thing, man. No. You got to plant that kush grass somewhere. Yeah. Have anything to dig out a hole, you can just dig it with your hand or whatever.
Yeah, go try.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's still got that stick there, man. Just dig out a hole there. That's that stick there. Dig it across there, where it's soft. Yeah, right here. Yeah, good. A hole already there, man. Yes, sir. Put your side. You hold your hand like this and let the water fall. I go through the water, right? You can fall through the sand and top the kush grass there. Right? Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om, continue right here. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Right. Right. Let's touch the bottom and bow. Off right at the root there. All right, hold on. Let me light it.
Light about 2.
Breeze, yeah. We have to work with lighter now.
Much is a long time.
Much I'm getting trouble one.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
Put it on
I
there.
like you want to go, boy?
Put it on there and see if you can have.
Let's see if I can light the bubble.
Yeah, see if you can light it. Alright, good. Yeah, sure. Pick 2 flowers for me. Let's pick 2. Right. Very good. Alright, offer your prayers. We do these final mantras. Om, offer your prayer to Bhagwan Krishna. Anadinedano Devaha Shankachakra Garadaraha Akshaya Pundrikaksha Prita Moksha Pradobhava Narayaneswara Shrestha Lakshmi Kanta Janarana Anena Tarpani Nartha Prita Moksha Pradobhava. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Touch it there, friend. Off at the base, yeah. Take out the ring, loose it out, and put it by the base. Touch the root of the kush grass 3 times, bow. 2 hands together, yeah. Alright, loose out this now. Just hold your nail part and just loose it out. Yeah, just pull out that, right? Right. Okay, leave it so. Right. That's it. All right. Em tiêu đổ ra đấy. Listen, you calza here, right?
That's
Right.
it, sir.
Oh, listen, you could carry back this.
Nika.
In the car here, that will go back. Go here, use.